Fraganter Youth Hut by Imgang Architekten in FLATTACH, Austria. The Fraganter self-catering hut of the Austrian Alpine Club, Klagenfurt section, was renovated by Imgang Architekten and extended with a single-story building. Its location in the middle of the impressive Goldberg group at an altitude of around 1,800 meters offers children and teenagers the opportunity to take part in various courses. The remoteness of the hut makes it possible to let go of the daily routine and increases the internal exchange, as well as the feeling of community. The architecture was designed to reflect the history of the historic copper mining area. The cantilevered extension with its gallery-like opening is clad with handmade copper shingles, creating a visible link to the past. Together with the existing building, a courtyard with a covered outdoor area is created. The base of the main building is made of robust reinforced concrete, which ensures stability in the alpine terrain and protects the timber construction from snow deposits in winter. All other components are made of cross-laminated timber and, like the entire interior, are made of local spruce. The large facade and roof lend the building warmth and harmony. The extension includes a kitchen, a living room, a lounge, and a multi-purpose room. The latter has a climbing wall and a stage for smaller performances or presentations. In the main building, there are 36 sleeping places for young people and 9 sleeping places for supervisors with bathrooms. Heating is provided by a wood-burning stove, which is heated with wood from its forest. The children prepare the wood themselves in summer. By using natural materials, the building blends in sensitively with the surrounding landscape. The simple architecture creates a place that honors the history of the region and at the same time offers a contemporary experience for the Alpine Club youth.